Module 3, Operators and Expressions. Welcome to Beidat IT Training. In Module 3, we'll focus on operators and expressions in JavaScript. You'll learn how to use arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. For example, arithmetic operations. HTML. Script. Let sum equals 10 plus 5. Let product is equal to 10 times 5. /script. And comparison and logical operations. HTML. Script. Let is equal equals, 10 equals 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 10. Let is greater equals, 10 greater than 5, and 5 less than 10. /script. Exercises will help you practice using these operators, and a lab project will guide you in creating a script that uses various operators and expressions. An interactive quiz will reinforce your learning. By the end of this module, you'll be able to write expressions and statements using different operators. Let's master operators and expressions.